What's up guys, it's Geeks Corner here. Today we're unboxing an Apple Watch leather strap. Now this one I actually got via Amazon and I will put a link in the description below. And this is going to be my first leather strap that I've actually purchased. And obviously, as usual with Amazon, the box is much bigger for the packaging. But this is the actual strap itself. And as you can see, it's got premium Apple Watch band. So I'm just going to open it up now, take off the protective plastic, and as you can see, it's quite a decent box there. So if you wanted to buy this as a gift, it is quite presentable. So we're just going to pop this out and actually take a look at the strap itself. Okay, so it does feel quite genuine and really good quality. You've got obviously the name there. You can actually rub your thumb over and actually feel that. It does look like a decent grip on the lugs there as well. It doesn't feel loose. So let's go ahead and actually fit it to the watch itself. And it slides in quite easily that side. And just pop it in from this angle now as well. Anyway, it's got a bit of play first, but it's locked in now quite securely. So let's go ahead and try it on now. And as you can see, it's on the second to last notch. It is very comfortable there. It depends on how big your wrists are and how tight you actually want it on your wrist. But I've got a bit of room at the bottom there. It feels comfortable and it definitely feels high quality and well made. So I'm going to put a link in the description below, as I said. I hope you guys find this useful. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.